I work from home. I haven't been meeting in 10 minutes.
Oh, really?
What do you mean?
You do have that.
What do you mean? Wait. What do you mean I don't work? How do you know?
No, she told me you're in another state. She's thinking, why you got attitude with me? I don't do nothing to you.
Come on. Daisy, you know we're not, I'm not another state, you know that. Why you not telling the truth?
No, we're from Arizona, right? But I told him you're here. That's what I told him.
Okay. Yeah, there's misunderstanding now. So, Zino, Talant at the same time, and room ውስጥ ሆነን ላይቭ ገብተናል ነበር እንዴ? አልጋው
ጥያቄው ምንድነው? በመጀመሪያ ደረጃ አንቺና እሷ you got beef for some reason. ፓስፖርቷ ትላንትና ነው የጠፋው
እና አንተ ጋር lost and found እንትን ኦፊስ ነው ፓስፖርት ሲጠፋብን ፖሊስ ጋር ሄደን ነው ሪፖርት የምናደርገው። እኔ ጋር አይደለም ሪፖርት የሚደረገው። እኔም
ሪፖርት አልተደረገም። all of a sudden ትላንትና ነው። ምንድነው አቲቲዩድ ይዘሽ የመጣሽው?
አቲቲዩድ አይደለም I'm working
ላይ ምንድነው ያዙኝ? ከጓያ ትምትሉ ጋርስ
I don't have to explain my life. This is my life, my daughter and my life. I don't need to bring it to outside.
No, ልጅሽማ አንቺ መፍትሄ ስላልሰጠሻት ነው እኛ ጋር መጣች።
Oh, really? After 21 years አንተ ጋር መጣች? እሺ። What's wrong with Daisy? Daisy, you know I love you.
Listen to me, please. እኔ ላውራ አንድ ጊዜ ዮኒ ቁጭ ብሎ ዮኒ እስካሁን ድረስ እሷን ራሱ ዴዚን ራሱ በጣም እንትን እያላት ነበረ። እናትሽ ማክበር አለበት ልጁም ስላንቺ he's got your back በጣም ብዙ ሲያወራልሽ ነበረ እና አሁን መተሽ ፕሊዝ እንደ ሚስ አንደርስታንዲንግ ሊሆን ይችላል he's got your back አሁን እሱ የሚፈልገው እኔም የምፈልገው ሁላችንም ሰላም እንዲመጣ ነው። at the end of the day you are እናትና ልጅ ናችሁ። ስለዚህ ጀንወን የሆነ ነገር ነው ይዘን የመጣ ነው። ሰላም እንዲወርድ ነው። እዚህ ጋር ያንቺን ጎራ ይዘው የእሷን እንትን ብለው ከዘርም ጋር ሊያገናኙት የሚፈልጉ ብዙ ሰዎች አሉ። ስለዚህ at the end of the day you guys are family, let's fix this.
I know
እና በጥሩ መንፈስ ነው እና ይኸውልሽ እዚህ ጋር ጥሩ ነገር ይዞ ነው የመጣው። ስለዚህ እኛም ደግሞ ያንን ነው የምንፈልገው። እሺ
no problem። ግን ይሄ እኮ የኔና የሷ ፋሚሊ ኢሹ ነው። ብዙ ነገር ቤታችን የምፈጣው ለምን ራሻ
አክስትሽም አውርቻታለሁ። የእሷን አክስቷን ሳውራት ፕሊዝ የራሷን ላይፍ ዴዚ መኖር ትፈልጋለች።
ማንም ያዛት
አንዴ ልጨርስና መናገር ትችያለሽ አይደል? ገና ከመጀመሪያ አፋፋት በይ። ምንድነው ያለችው? መኖር ትፈልጋለች። በራሷ ላይፍ የራሷን ህይወት መኖር ትፈልጋለች። ስለዚህ አሁን አፓርትመንት ልትከራይ ስትል አንቺ ምንድነው ያደረግሽው? ለዛ ሴትዮ ደውለሽ ትሬት ነው ያደረግሻል። ልጄን ትወስጂብኛለሽ፣ ኪድናፕ አደረግሽ ብዬ ደውዬ አስይዝሻለሁ ብለሻል አይደለም?
አላልኳትም። I have a voicemail that's a lie because the lady herself ደውላ ዴዚን I don't ሰብ ሊስ ነቻለች። ሰብ ሊስ ማድረግ አልችልም ግን ስራው ክፍት ነው። ቮይስሜል አለኝ ክፍት ነው ስራውን ትስራ ስትል ከዚህ 1 hour ማን ነው እየነዳት የሚሄደው ኤቭሪ ዴይ ከባልቲሞር ዲሲ ማን ነው የሚመላለሰው? ለዛ አይነት ስራ ደግሞ እዚህ ቅርባችን ክሎስ አለ ብለን የተሰረዘው። አሁንም ቢሆን ሌላው ያላትን እኛውን እንገኝንለት። this is just a normal family issue ነው. What is the big deal?
Okay, the other big deal I will talk to you about የአንቺ እህት ልትወት ወይም አክስቷ የእሷ አክስት አንቺ በጥሩ ዴዚን እያየሻት እንዳልሆነ በጥሩ እንዳልሆነ
oh my god okay ዴዚ አክስት አጎት ዲፍረንሱን አታውቅም። ዜማ የምትለውን ዘመዴ ነች አክስቴ ልጅ ትላለች። ዜማን I never seen her ዜማ ስምታበላሻት ልጅ እንደሆነች ነው የማውቀው። ኦንላይን ሜላትን I don't know her she's messed up የሚያደርጉት ግን እህቶቼ አክስቶቼ እያለች ለህዝብ ትናገራለች። that's not right.
okay ከማን ጋር ነው አሁን የምትኖረው?
100% my family my sisters brothers never talk to anyone on media. They don't go on media. They all work the government የሚሰሩት እንደዚህ አይነት ነገር ጊዜ የላቸውም. I know you didn't talk, so maybe she brought somebody የሆነ ሰው አቅርባለህ እህቴነች አክስቴ
He's saying like that's not your aunt. Daisy.
She's not.
No, Mariaman, Yoni Mariaman.
Who talked to him? Man.
Mariaman. I swear to God. I swear to God.
Tell me who talked to him. Give me the
I'm
name.
not going to tell you. No.
That's it. That's not true then. Why you're hiding?
I don't want to bring our family to the...
Oh, really? You
no.
already did. You already did, Daisy.
So, okay, let me ask
No, I
you.
mean our other family. That's
No,
right.
you already did.
ቲና አንዴ ልጠይቅሽ አንድ ነገር የእሷ የራሷን ላይፍ ለመምራት ምኑ ነው ለአንቺ የሚከብድሽ?
She's my daughter. I don't want ማንም ዝም እንትን ባለጌ እናቷን የሚሰድብ ሀገር የሚሰድብ ዘር የሚያስተምራት that's not I worked for. ዴዚን አገሯን ህዝቧን አክብራ እንድትኖር ራሱ ሰክሰስፉል ሆና እናቷንም እንድትጦር ህዝቡን እንድትጦር ነው አሳድጌ አድርጌ ያሳደኳት። መጥፎ ሰው ያውም እኔ ዴዚን አላፈቅራትም። አንተ ራስህ አይደለህም እንዴ ልታስቀርቀው ዴዚ ቢኮዝ
Can we stop talking?
I'm a good listener. Let her talk.
But this is not about love, though. This is not about love.
No.
Like,
Daisy, let her finish. It's okay. Let her talk.
Love is the problem. Your love is what caused all this. Daisy, please listen. It's good for
Okay,
you.
let her talk and I got an answer. Keep talking.
See, the guy himself. You were ሽማግሌ የሆነ ስታስታርቅ እንደማያፈቅራትም እንደማሆነ ሽምግልና ገብተህ አንተ ራስህ አንዴ ደህና ተገላገልን ከሱ ስንል መልስ አስገናኝ አስታርቀሃቸዋል። ልጁ እንደማያፈቅራት እንደ ዱርዬ እንደሆነ እያወቅ አስታረካቸው። that's not right. I didn't accept. I mean appreciate that time በጣም አዝኜብህ ነበር ግን it's okay. አንተ just media life ነው maybe temporary ነው ብለህ ይሆናል ግን ልጁ ዴዚን አላፈቅራትም ላፈቅራትም አልችልም በህይወቴ ብሎ ዩቲዩብ ላይ ሰቅሎታል። እኔ ፈልጌ እንትን ላይ ፖስት አድርገዋለሁ ዛሬ ህዝብ እንዲሰማው። ማንኛው እናት ነው ያውም ሲንግል ማም ሆኖ ያሳደጋት ልጅ ለእንደዚህ አይነት ሰው ሂጂ ጉርላክ ብሎ የሚሄደው እንዴ? እኔን እኮ ትላንት ወጥቶ ለ21 ዓመት ያበላሻትን ትክሰስሽ ነው ምናምን ነገር አለ። የት እሱ 5 months ago ኦንላይን ስክሪን ለብሶ ገብቶ መልኩን አሳምሮ ላናገራት ሴት 1 ዓመት ሆነሽ ላደረገችሽ እና ዳይፐር ስላደረገች ነው ከሳሻት የሚለው? እንደዚህ አይነት ደደብ ጭንቅላት የሌለው ሰው እንዴት ብለን ነው ልጅን ውሰድ የምትለው? ያም ሌላ ሀገር ወስዶ ማትመለስበት ደረጃ ልትሆን የምትችልበት ጥገኛ የሚኖር አዳፕት ሆኖ የሚኖር ልጅ he never
you don't have to bring up his personal life.
የሰባተኛ ክፍል ተማሪ አንድ ነገር there's no one thing good thing እኔ እንደሱ ብዬ አክሴፕት አላደርግም። ልጅ ከፈቀደች ግን ካፈቀረችው that's good. I will support her still. ሚስቴክም ቢሆን ሰርታ ቀበላታለሁ። አሁንም ቢሆን እኮ ኔክስት ላይፏ ስትሄድም እኔ አባካው አላደርግም። ሁሉም ነገ ይዘ ኔክስት ይር ስትረሳ እሷ ብቻዋን ስታለቅስ እኔ ነኝ መቀበላት። ነበር she knows what's good for her. She knows what's the best for her. She stayed. Daisy drives brand new 24 brand new car እየነዳች ነው። ላስት ይር ኢትዮጵያ ሄድ ነው ጋራጅ አቁመ ነው። ምንም የጎደለባት ነገር የለም። ልጅቷ ሃፒ ነች። አንዳንዴ ጨውባታለሁ። that's just ጥሩ ልጅ ለማሳደግ ዝም ብላ አይደለም። it takes a lot of work. ገርፈህም ቆንጥጠህም ስንት ነገር ነው አዲስ አበባ የምናድገው። ተደብድበን ተገርፈን ምን ብለን ነው ትምህርት ቤት ጨርሰን የምንወጣው የምንማረው? ፋሚሊ እሱንም ቢሆን ተመስገን ብለን እንደገና መጦር እንጀምራለን። እሷ ገና የጮኩባትን የዛሬ 6 ዓመት 4 ዓመት እያመጣች እሱ ደግሞ አሁን በቅርብ ሲያነጋግራት ሮንግ ቲንግ ምለ ብዙ ነገር ማውራት አልፈልግም ነገሩ ዳት ሞመንት እሱ እየቀረጸ ነበር ድምጼን እሱ የሚወዳት ከሆነ እንደዛ አይነት ነገር ለምን ይሰጣት ኤክስፖዝ ያደርጋታል ሚዲያ ላይ? ለምንስ እኔን ቴክስት እያደረገ ቮይስ እየላከ አንቺ ባለጌ አንቺ አሮጊት ልጅሽ ነው ስጄ እንዳርጌ ለአማራ ወረውራታለሁ ኦሮሞን ገና እንደፋለን ምናምን እንደዛ አይነት ሰው እንዴት ነው ልጅን ኮንፎርት ምላት እንዴ? ምንካ I just want the best for my daughter. That's it. አሁንም ቢሆን ነገም አለቅም I'm gonna go look after her እስከመጨረስ ከመሞት ድረስ I'll take care of you Daisy until I die. You know I love you. I know you're in love. And you know, I understand you're in the age where we've been through that, but I don't want you to make a mistake in the worst place because you may never survive. Sometimes
No.
you make a mistake. Daisy?
No. If you don't want to be completely honest with people, I don't think you should talk. I mean, if you don't want to see what you did as well, then, you know, like
I have a right to do anything I want.
Okay. That's good. That's fine.
To protect you, Daisy. It's okay. Take your time. If you love him, it's your choice. I'll support you, but do it the right way. Not like you just saw him 5 months on the screen, TikTok. You don't risk your entire life to go see him.
Okay, again, Mom, listen, this is not about Jinjana or Fikr. I want freedom, that's all I'm saying. Like, this is this. We should stop making this about relationship.
Okay.
It's not.
Daisy, you know, I work even last year. Let's forget about everything. Last year, when you were 1 year we were in Ethiopia, but the year before that, you were 19. I was working 2 jobs. You're open 24 hours. You have a car. You have the entire home. You could have done anything. Why wouldn't you run away then if nothing is good for you?
What do you mean?
It's not like
she was saying that she was working 2 jobs.
Yeah.
You were at home by yourself.
Yeah, I was doing social media.
She said, if you want to run away, why don't you do it at the time?
I did not run away. I mean, the thing is, yes, I ran away, but that's my decision. Again, it's my decision.
She has no reason. Okay, so what I was saying is...
አንዴ ቲና ተረድቼሻለሁ። ሀት ሆነሽ የመጣሽበት ነገር ብዙ ሰዎች አማክረውሽ ሊሆን ይችላሉ። እኔ ግን አንቺን ስከላከል ነበር መንገርሽ።
I have so many requests.
ገባኝ። እኔ ይኸውልሽ እኔ አንቺን እዚህ ሆኜ ስከላከል ነበር። እናቷን ዲስፔክት እያደረገ ልጇን ማፍቀር አይችልም እያልኩ ስከራከርልሽ ነበር። ሳትሰሚ ነው የመጣሽው። ገባሽ? ሀት ሆነሽ የመጣሽው ሌላ ነገር ብለው ነው። አሁን ልክ ነሽ። አሁን እንደማለት አንዴ አዳመጥኩሽ አይደል እንዴ? አዳምጪኛ። the entire time አዳምጥሽ ነበር። እንደ እናት ያሰብሽው አሁን የምትይው ነገር ስህተት የለው። ስህተት አላየሁበትም። አሁን የምትይው ጥሩ ነገር ነው የምትመኝላት፣ ጥሩ ነገር ነው የምታደርግላት። የስ ይሄን እስማማለሁ። 2024 do you have a car 2024? ቆይ ዴዚ ነው የምጠይቃት። አንዴ ቲና do you have a car 2024? Brand new
2024, car? Yes, I did. Yeah, I did. Oh, yeah.
Okay, you do have that. So one thing I don't understand, some of the other people saying that she makes you starve to death. That's what they were saying.
Listen, this is people like...
No, she didn't say. Daisy didn't say that. But the other people were saying that Daisy was starving to death, but you drive in 2024 a brand new car.
And let me add something for you, Daisy. You know this is the honest in God's name. You know you have a cross on your neck, and there is a reason for that. You don't lie. Daisy, she eats like even very best diet. Like the fridge is full of organic food, the drink, everything selective. I work very little job, but it takes like almost 24 hours overnight, and then I come back 1 hour. And I get ready, I go back another 10 hours, 11. That's how I lived for almost. So,
okay, did I deny that?
No.
Did I deny that? That's what I'm saying. What does this have to like?
No, let me ask you, Daisy. Is your mom a hard worker?
Yes, she is, yeah.
Okay, if she's a hard worker, why she does that for? For you and her, right?
Well, yeah, of course.
Okay, that's the case. The reason you guys are here because of this man, right?
No, it's not. It's not just about him. This isn't just about like love. Like it's not.
Because there was no problem before that, though.
I had no freedom.
Freedom?
What's freedom?
Mom, I had no freedom.
Okay, I think one thing.
No freedom. Explain freedom to me. Explain freedom.
I mean, Mom, I respect you, but you have to understand you are forcing me to do social media.
Let her talk. Tina, please let her talk.
Yes.
Let Daisy talk, okay? Just listen to her for a minute. I'm gonna mute you for a second, okay? Let her talk.
Let me just say, I'm the one. I'll say I'm the one. Yeah, I started getting known on TikTok. Like, you know, the side Ayajibo, like I started getting known on TikTok, right?
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I asked my mom, yeah, let's go to Ethiopia. Maybe I could do business, you know, things like that. We stayed there 7 months. After 7 months, I was depressed. I was not okay. I didn't want to do social media anymore. Like I was physically tired of it, and I was begging my mom. I said, can we go back? Can I go back to school? Can I do this? She said, and mom, you know I respect you, but you told me I need to be rich and famous, have money for college, like, you know, I need that things, and then I go back to school. So as a 20-year-old, yeah, I came back by myself. And I have the right to.
But the first thing is what I'm going to ask you. You ask your mom to go to Ethiopia with her. You want to do YouTube. You want to be famous, right? You are the one.
Like, no, because we go as vacation sometimes. Like, we went 2023. We went 20, like, we...
Yeah, I understand. But as you say now, from what you said, you told us, you want to go to Ethiopia. You want to do YouTube. You want to do social media. You want to be famous. And your mom supports you with